Okay, the garage door is open. Let the sunlight in and look at, just look at this thing. Every time I see it in my garage, I seriously is just like, man, it looks so awesome. As you can tell, definitely I'm in love with this car. But interestingly enough, I'm not gonna be looking at this vehicle today. I'm actually gonna be looking at the Highlander. So let's just jump straight in this video. Let's go, let's get to it. Hey guys, I'm Keisha, making more videos again, and today guys, we have a product that is very interesting, super useful, and definitely something that you might be interested in. So without further ado, let's get to it. Alrighty, let's hit you right there. Well, actually, I have two different products, okay? Here's the actual product I want to talk to you guys about. It's really awesome. I've never seen anything like this, and it can be definitely helpful for my Highlander and or my car in general, but mainly for my Highlander and trucks and stuff like that. And then also, you guys know I love going camping and stuff, so I got this package in the mail. Ooh, nothing in the box itself. Some literature right here. We don't really need this. Whoa, man, this is better than I thought it was gonna be. You guys already know I love going camping. I ordered this guy, so I might as well just put it in my vlog. It's a beautiful stainless steel insulated bottle right here that has also a filter right here, so you can put like lemon and stuff in there or whatever, you know, to infuse with your drink or ice, and it won't, you know, when you're drinking, it won't like bother you while you're drinking. It gets filtered out, you know, while you're drinking. Really nice, pretty nice bottle. I like this guy. Pretty heavy duty too. It's like feels nice, and I need something like this when you go camping and stuff. There's no refrigerator out there. By the way, a lot of people ask me all the time, like, what? You go camping? I'm like, do I look like a person that doesn't go camping? I don't know. What do they look like? I don't go hunting. People did ask me that, but I do go camping. It's so fun. The outdoors, having fun with your friends in the wild. It's pretty cool. But yeah, I'll leave the link in the description below for this bad boy. I'm liking this. Put that down to the side. Hello. Thank you. Alright, the days with my Mercedes. My neighbors still think I have a Mercedes. I actually do not have a Mercedes. She was just complimenting on my Mercedes. Mercedes do get compliments sometimes, guys. If you own a Mercedes, you do get compliments. So with any luxury car, to be honest, you'll get one or two compliments. But with a supercar, you'll definitely get looks, compliments, and people, you're gonna have people that you don't want to talk to sometimes. I'm eyeing that Audi R8, by the way. Eyeing it, but I'm actually in the process of buying another house, and so I'm not gonna get the Audi R8 yet. You know, it's tempting, but nevertheless, guys, you will see an Audi R8 on this channel, or maybe another supercar. I don't know, we'll see. But here's the actual package right here, really nice. You know, nothing on the box itself. There's some like lettering here, so let's just open this bad boy up. Ooh, nothing else in the box itself. Whoa. Okay. Just fell. You got some felt right here with some 3M on the back, but here's the actual product itself. Now this is not a cheap quality product, okay? This is a very high quality product, and the moment you get it, you will be like, oh, okay, yeah, this is pretty high quality. Pretty hefty, pretty heavy, and the reason for that being is because it needs to be extremely high quality. Comes in this really nice bag right here. I like this, portable, nice package. Oh, here's the actual product. Let me put the baggie down to the side. Look at this bad boy, guys. You already know what the title of the video is. This right here is a step pedal for your vehicle. When you have stuff on top of your car, on top of your SUV, on top of your truck, and you're trying to get up there, this right here is a perfect solution for that problem. Look at that. So like I said, it is not a cheap quality product, and you can tell it's machined really well. It has this nice like diamond plating right here. Really nice grooves, so you know when you put your foot on here, you won't slip off or anything like that. It's also a multi-purpose tool. You know, you have this in your glove box and you need to get out of the vehicle in an emergency situation. This right here comes in very handy to break the glass and stuff so you can get out. It's not the main purpose of the tool, but still very handy. So let me install this 3M tape right here. Nice and even. Alrighty, there we go. We've installed the padding right here. I'm making sure on the camera you can see it. Now, let's go see how this actually works. Now, the product itself, you can use it for an SUV and or car and or truck, whatever you need be. In this case, I'm gonna be using it for my SUV because that's probably where I'm actually gonna be using it the most, to get on top of this roof, okay? So how you do that is simple. Let me show you right now. Alrighty guys, in any vehicle, on the side of the vehicle, you have this bad boy right here. It's a door slam latch, okay? And how this tool is so simple is you pull this bad boy right here, you have the hook right here. As long as you have the nice foam right here protecting your paint and stuff, you hook it on like so, like that, and bam, there you have it. Your step to get to the top of your roof is ready to go. As you can see, it's really nice, simple, and easy. Now remember guys, that a door slam latch by law is required to handle loads capable of over 2,500 pounds. So you know, a guy like me, 170 pounds, no big deal, okay? You're not gonna be over even 1,000 pounds hopping on this bad boy to get on top of the roof. This thing is perfectly safe. I also saw the reviews and stuff. People absolutely love this thing because now, as you can see, I'm not kidding you. You can see through the mirror. Look how tall I am. And still, to get to the top of the roof, I'm not exaggerating. I'm like really close to the car. You guys already know, if you have an SUV, you're not gonna be able to do that. You know what I mean? Like, especially washing my car and stuff like that. Getting on this step right here will give me a little bit more room, as you can see, but still, it's not like if you have a roof storage compartment or something like that, it's not the best, okay? You're not gonna be as comfortable. But now with this guy, I can easily step on this and get to the top. Alrighty, so to demonstrate this properly, I'm actually on the ground floor right now, and the camera is actually on top of the roof. And so what I'm gonna do is step on the running board first. That already comes with the vehicle. So here's the actual running board, and as you can see, it gets me to about this height, not too shabby. But then I still want to get to everywhere on the roof, and you can see I can't reach it like completely perfectly fine without actually trying to step into my interior. So what I'm gonna do now is actually step on the door latch slam stepper and see how much higher I can actually go and how much further I'll be actually able to reach. All right, let's pull this back up. Oh my god. All right, so now I'm actually on the top of on the door slam step. As you can see, I have a lot of clearance up there, and I can reach like completely really far. And I can show you right here. I'm gonna actually show you how I was stepping on there, so you guys know that I was actually, you know, stepping on this bad boy. I'm gonna bring this box right here so I can put my... All right, you guys are able to see it. Here's the actual step right here. Let's just jump on this bad boy and see how it works. There we have it. I'm on this, and now I'm gonna use my full weight to actually step on here. As you can see, this is my full entire weight. It's holding perfectly fine. There's nothing to it, and I am reaching all the way to the top with no problems. Alrighty, so it's pretty neat, it's pretty awesome. Like I said, this is a very niche product, definitely intended for people that want to get to the top of their vehicle without having to step on their seats or stuff like that and damage your seats, and or step on some kind of plastic or something like that might damage that. This thing is very heavy duty, very awesome, and also obviously the door latch is perfectly fine. There's nothing wrong with it because it can definitely handle over 2,500 pounds of weight. Not bad, I like this. Yeah, for the Highlander, I was seriously considering getting like some kind of roof rack or something like that to go on top of the vehicle, some kind of storage, because when I do go camping, a lot of my friends are actually in the back seat. You know, if we take about 5 people, this thing sits 7 people. We take 5 people, I want to make sure that I have something up there so I can have all of our camping equipment up there instead of inside the vehicle, and so it's very comfortable for like 5 people to go camping. Alrighty, so I definitely approve of this product. This is a really nice and simple product. I'm gonna be leaving this in my actual center console storage in the middle because it can be used as a safety device as well, and also it comes with this nice little baggie right here that I can put it in, make it look beautiful. But I'm gonna add that link in the description below, as well as a bottle, and that is a perfect bottle for me as well, so I'm gonna add that link in the description as well. All my links to Instagram, Twitter, and also Facebook are gonna be in the description section as well. And also I added a Patreon link if you want to check that out. But that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. There should be a subscribe button and also a video button popping right here. Make sure you click on for more videos in the future. Other than that, guys, keep your share saying thanks for watching and peace.